In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on a perfect theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, tap on the color palette again and this time use this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!